Hey everyone, welcome back to the show. I'm your host, and today we're diving into something truly eye-opening. Whether you're listening on the go or watching from the studio, get ready for real talk. No fluff, just ideas, insights, and inspiration that actually matter. So grab a coffee, plug in, and let's jump right into it.
Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a talking avatar for free using AI. Whether you're a content creator, teacher, or just someone who wants to make fun videos, this method is super easy and requires no special skills, all without spending a single dollar. First, open ChatGPT and ask it to create a detailed prompt for generating a realistic male character in Leonardo AI. The more specific your request, the better the result. For example, describe the man's age, hairstyle, clothing, background, and even mood. Once you get your prompt, copy it and head over to Leonardo AI to bring your character to life. Once your realistic avatar image is ready, it's time to bring it to life using Runway. Now enter a prompt for animate an image to make it realistic. Head over to runwayml.com, upload the image, and use the animate or text-to-motion tool to create subtle movements like blinking, head tilts, or even talking gestures. This makes your podcast avatar look alive and engaging, perfect for YouTube, Shorts, or social media reels. Now, open Clipchamp or any video editor you prefer. Import the animated clip you created in Runway and the voiceover from ElevenLabs.
Hey.
Even if the voice is longer than the animated video, just extend the clip on the timeline so it plays throughout the entire voice track. Once your full video is ready, with both animation and audio, export it. Finally, go to the DreamFace app, upload this video, and it will turn your avatar into a fully talking character, syncing the lips perfectly to your voice.
Unfortunately, the DreamFace app only allows free exports up to 10 seconds, and it adds a watermark that can't be removed in the regular version. But don't worry, I have a solution. Just go to Google and search for DreamFace APK download. Download and install the APK version, which lets you create talking avatar videos up to 60 seconds long, completely free and without any watermark. This way, you can make longer, high-quality videos without any branding issues. And that's it! Now you know how to create a fully talking AI avatar for free, from image to voice to animation. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI tips and tools.